Stop! You have been eating mangosteen the wrong way your entire life. Welcome back to Moonlight Food, your strategic partner in decoding the high-performance chemistry of nature's most elite superfruits. Most people see the mangosteen, the legendary queen of fruits, as just a rare sweet treat with a thick purple shell. But by throwing away that bitter rind or eating the white segments in isolation, you are neutralizing the most potent cancer-fighting and anti-neuro-inflammatory medicine on the planet. To understand the true power of the mangosteen, we have to look back at its deep history in Southeast Asia. For centuries, traditional healers didn't just prize the delicious white flesh, they dried and ground the purple rind to treat infections, wounds, and chronic digestive issues. This isn't just a fruit, it is a biological fortress designed to shield your cells from systemic inflammation and environmental toxins. When we dive into the nutritional matrix of a mangosteen, the results are a masterclass in plant science. While most fruits rely on common vitamins, the real secret of the mangosteen lies in a rare class of polyphenols called xanthones, specifically alpha mangosteen and gamma mangosteen. These aren't just normal antioxidants, they are super antioxidants that have been scientifically shown to exhibit significant anti-proliferative and pro-apoptotic effects on damaged cells. Furthermore, mangosteen is a rich source of folate, magnesium, and potassium, which are critical for heart health and DNA synthesis. But the standout feature is the way these xanthones act as high-tech biological brakes on systemic inflammation. When you consume mangosteen correctly, you aren't just getting a sugar boost, you are providing your body with a targeted chemical signal to stabilize your immune system and protect your neurons. The health benefits of this queen of fruits are especially profound for your brain health and your metabolic stability. The alpha mangosteen in the fruit's rind has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, where it helps reduce neuroinflammation and protect against oxidative damage associated with Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. For your metabolism, recent clinical studies have shown that mangosteen extract can significantly improve insulin sensitivity, making it a powerful natural tool for managing blood sugar levels and preventing insulin resistance. Moreover, the unique fibers and tannins in the fruit act as a natural gut shield, inhibiting the growth of harmful pathogens while promoting a healthy microbiome. It's a complete internal defense and repair system wrapped in a royal purple shell that keeps your body's internal systems running with peak precision. However, the reason I told you that you are eating it wrong is due to the peel mistake and the empty stomach trap. First, over 90% of the medicinal xanthones are located in the thick, bitter purple rind, not the white flesh. While the rind is too bitter to eat raw, you are throwing away the most powerful part of the fruit. To eat mangosteen right, you should never just discard the peel. Instead, you can steep the clean, dried rinds to create a medicinal tea, or use a high-quality whole fruit powder that includes the pericarp. Furthermore, while mangosteen is excellent for insulin sensitivity, eating it on a completely empty stomach can occasionally lead to a mild hypoglycemic dip for sensitive individuals. To get the maximum benefit, always pair your mangosteen with a source of healthy fat or protein like Greek yogurt or a handful of walnuts to slow down the absorption and unlock the fat-soluble xanthones. Of course, even a life-saving superfood like the mangosteen requires some strategy. Because it is highly effective at moving the blood and improving circulation, individuals on blood-thinning medications like warfarin should consult with their physician. Additionally, if you are using mangosteen supplements, always choose reputable brands that test for xanthone concentration. Most importantly, if you have a history of diabetes, monitor your response closely, as the fruit's potent insulin-sensitizing effect can sometimes amplify the power of your existing medications. Selecting a superior, nutrient-dense mangosteen is a game of wait and give. Avoid mangosteens that have a rock-hard shell or look shriveled. These are lignified and past their medicinal prime. Look for a mangosteen that feels heavy for its size. This indicates the ivory segments inside are plump and mineral-rich. The shell should be a deep, vibrant purple, with a slight give when pressed with your thumb.
The ultimate secret is the bottom star. Count the number of petals on the small star-shaped scar at the bottom of the fruit. This will tell you exactly how many juicy segments are waiting inside. More petals mean more medicinal segments. Once you have your perfect mangosteens, storage is a balance of temperature. If left at room temperature, they will harden and lose their medicine within days. Keep them in a breathable bag in the refrigerator to maintain their living water quality and protect the xanthones. They can stay fresh for up to 2 weeks if kept chilled. By choosing the heaviest fruit and embracing the medicinal potential of the rind, you are turning a rare tropical treat into a powerful cornerstone of your longevity strategy. Stop treating the mangosteen as just a sweet snack and start treating it as the neuroprotective and anti-inflammatory miracle it truly is. Your brain, your gut, and your metabolism will thank you.